Hello and welcome to Larissa's Kitchen. Today is National Bird Day, and we had an unusual visitor to the kitchen during Thursday's East Coast storm. A discombobulated white-throated sparrow barreled into our sliding glass door. I grabbed her up and brought her into the safety and warmth of our cat-infested kitchen. She was pretty out of it, but after about 10 minutes of holding her, she started to poke my fingers with her beak, so we took her back outside to see if she was ready to fly the coop. Nope, it wasn't to be.
Okay, we'll bring her back. Okay, we'll bring her back inside for a few more minutes.
She came back inside to the safety and warmth again for another 5 minutes or so, and then we tried again to let her go, with much more success.
There she is. She'll probably be a little bit wonky for another 20 minutes or so, and then she'll be back to normal.
It's not often that a bird leaves this kitchen safely. To celebrate National Bird Day, we're tackling another viewer request. If you didn't get enough sweets over the holidays, we're putting together some caramel brownies. So let's see what we're gonna need. This is a cake mix recipe from an older Betty Crocker cookbook. As you can see, there's not much to these ingredients, which are of course listed right here, as well as the full recipe and instructions in the description box below. Just make sure that you're using evaporated milk and not sweetened condensed. Let's make these brownies. Calling these brownies diabetes in a pan. They are sweet and they are amazing. Let's give this a taste. Small bite. Glued to my pecans. Wonderful. We're so glad you stopped by our kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click, and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family, and keep up with us on Twitter and Facebook for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.